If you don't like boring food but still want to stay fit, then this video is for you. We're here to show you that eating healthy doesn't have to be dull or tasteless. In fact, it can be quite the opposite: exciting, delicious, and incredibly satisfying. Let's kick things off with why your daily food routine matters. Your daily food choices can make or break your fitness goals. It's not just about counting calories, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients to keep you energized, focused, and strong throughout the day. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. Just like a sports car needs premium fuel to run smoothly, your body needs high-quality food to function at its best. Just like a car needs the right fuel, you need a balanced diet to run at peak performance. This means incorporating a variety of foods that provide essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals. We're talking carbs for energy, proteins for muscle repair, and fats for sustained fuel. Carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits and vegetables are your body's primary source of energy. They help fuel your workouts and keep you going throughout the day, and fats for sustained fuel. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts and olive oil, are crucial for brain health and hormone production. They also help you feel full and satisfied. Don't forget those vitamins and minerals, they're the unsung heroes. Vitamins and minerals play a vital role in keeping your body functioning properly. They support your immune system, help your body convert food into energy, and ensure your bones stay strong. Now, on to the good stuff, what to eat. Let's dive into some delicious and nutritious meal ideas that will keep you on track with your fitness goals. Start your day with a power-packed breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it sets the tone for the rest of your meals. A nutritious breakfast can help kickstart your metabolism and provide the energy you need to tackle your morning activities. How about some oatmeal topped with fresh fruits? Oatmeal is a fantastic choice because it's high in fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. It's a great choice for sustained energy. Plus, the fresh fruits add a burst of flavor and a dose of essential vitamins and antioxidants. Or maybe a smoothie bowl, bursting with flavor and nutrients. Yum! Smoothie bowls are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. You can mix and match your favorite fruits, add some greens like spinach or kale, and top it off with nuts, seeds or granola for added crunch and nutrition. Lunchtime. Lunch is another opportunity to fuel your body with nutritious foods that will keep you energized and focused for the rest of the day. Try a grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken is an excellent source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. It's high in protein and packed with nutrients. Add a variety of colorful vegetables to your salad for a boost of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Or a quinoa bowl with veggies, hearty and satisfying. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. It's also high in fiber and packed with nutrients. Feeling peckish? Healthy snacks are key. Snacking can be a great way to keep your energy levels up between meals, as long as you choose healthy options. Grab a handful of nuts or some Greek yogurt. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein and fiber, while Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which are good for your gut health. They're perfect to keep your energy up without the guilt. Remember, the key to healthy snacking is portion control. It's easy to overeat even healthy snacks, so be mindful of your portions. Dinner time. My favorite. Dinner is the perfect time to wind down and enjoy a nutritious meal that will help your body recover and prepare for the next day. Baked salmon with stir-fried veggies is both delicious and healthy. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and reducing inflammation. Or maybe a hearty veggie stir-fry. Stir-fries are a quick and easy way to get a variety of vegetables into your diet. You can use whatever veggies you have on hand and add some tofu or tempeh for a plant-based protein option. Either way, you're ending the day on a high note. A balanced dinner will help you feel satisfied and prevent late-night snacking. And don't forget to hydrate. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health and fitness. Water helps regulate your body temperature, keeps your joints lubricated, and aids in digestion. Drinking plenty of water is essential for your routine. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or it's hot outside. Keep that water bottle handy, folks. Having a water bottle with you at all times makes it easier to stay hydrated throughout the day. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you create a daily food routine that supports your fitness goals and keeps you feeling your best. If these tips helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite meals in the comments below. Stay fit, stay fabulous. And remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. Keep experimenting with new foods and recipes and enjoy the process of nourishing your body.